Spice teaches her kids to cook, and Dancing Rebel lays her father to rest. These stories and more coming right up after this song from Shauna Controller.
You are my everything, until the only thing that matters is money. Oh, baby, 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 baby.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, for everybody that celebrated Christmas, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. You know, it's a festive season. It's a time where families come together and, you know what I mean, we'll have a fun festivity and cooking. And speaking about cooking, we know, say, Thanksgiving Spice showed us a lot of cooking or cooking skills, right? And we did that kind of expect for Christmas, you know, if you see some cooking now that the kids are around and all. And she know that too because she made a post pertaining to that. So me have a short clip me go show you, and me go also tell you what she say in the caption. So it look like she had teach both her son and daughter for cook at one time. You see what me I say? It's, you know, we don't see a lot of videos or she not post a lot of it, but she did post enough so we can understand what going on. So here is the video. Take a look at it. Here goes.
It's fine if the seed fall in there. Put the entire lime in there. Put the other half of it. Put it inside there. You don't have to pick out the seed. Because remember, you're going to wash it off after. So squeeze everything and wash it. Wash it. Where you going with now, Nick? Not still a brown right yourself. Where is it? I cook up your still. A big shake now. Like this, so wash it now, daughter. Put in it and rub up the chicken while I can wash it properly. Like this, so.
So you see what going on, people. You see Toy is on chicken duty and we have Nick up on the oxtail, right? So this is what she said in the caption. She said, in case you were wondering how my Christmas dinner went, and she tagged both of them. You know, so it looked like Spice just took the opportunity to show them how to cook, you know what I mean? So, you know, she never posts a lot about her dinner this time, but we understand, right? But she did post another video, and you know, so she's in Georgia, and from what I understand about Georgia, sometimes it snows there. It's not a regular thing or a everyday thing, you know what I mean, or every winter thing, I should say, but sometimes it's snow there. If you're not there, I want to from Georgia, you can tell me that the comment section, you know what I mean, how the settings go. But she did post another clip, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to tell you what she said in the caption as well. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
Hey, you gonna think what you do, look boy? Nicholas, come in. What you do? You're dead.
So when you see what go on, people, Nicholas run out in the cold and Spicer tell him say he would dead him for coming, right? So this is what she said in the caption. She said, when Jamaican kids see snow for the first time, and she tagged him and said, it wasn't even fully snowing and they got so excited. I want to take them upstate NYC, let them cry tears, cause I know they ain't gonna like it that cold. So I saw it go, I guess the first time you see snow, you get all excited about it, but for the people that will live in a snow area, I guess it's not that much of a fun. You know what I mean? Because we see video all the time where people are say, boy, they wish them they are Jamaica. No, you know? I must say, you know what I mean? Come on, let's the video. You don't know what me I talk about, right? And the people them, you know, no guide and put in the comment section, tell us how it goes. The people them were living at the snow place, them like Canada and them place there, you know what I mean? England. You see me?
DNA. Bayano.
So it seems like Dancing Rebel laid her father to rest today, you know what I mean? And once again, my condolences to Dancing Rebel and her family. We know it go, we know she lose her mom, we know she lose her pops a little bit after that. So she did some posting, but on a whole heap of thing. You see what I say? So I just go show you the few videos them what I have from where she posts, right? So here goes the video them where she posts from the funeral. Here goes.
Mix it up something, I go for them. Love the watch it, chop it like a sleeping tonic. With a load of massive China mix up the original. With carbon fabric, don't mix the marijuana.
Well, them daddy outside,
No one can turn up with a mix up with no.
outside. Rest up, daddy. You know the root of the grass. One day, ne? Bayano!
Yeah, people, so to see what go on. And with everything we did go on with Rebel, we not even did pay attention, say our father never buried yet. But we're glad for sister she out in good spirits. So, you hear what she has said in the video. So she has said rest up daddy, and for one of the videos she has said no more pain. So we know say at least yes she feel good so she can give her father a good funeral and lay him to rest. And John know people, Rebel are one strong person, because me I tell you if you lose both parents and then you know what I mean, even them other things that were happening with her already, you know, I'm not have to really mention it, but you know what me I talk about. You see me, and with all of that, she just hold it like a G, and we see her here today, you know what I mean, me see her on live, she and TC, and pretty, you know, me see them do a little performance with them. I'm glad to see that too, by the way. You see what I say? Me see the three of them, you know, together again. We don't know if them are best of friend like one time, but we definitely see them on the same stage, in the same video, and you know what I mean, TC attack to Rebel again. So we love to see that, you know what I mean? So big up to all three of them. And again, my condolences to Rebel and her friends and family. So I say, and that's for both of her parents. Alright? And since we mentioned that video there with she and TC up on stage, it's about a 8-minute video, but me not gonna show the full 8 minutes. It's all about over the internet. You see me, I say, me just showing like a quick minute out of it or something like that. Right? So here goes. Here is the video.
Option time. So what you say? Here we may talk. We don't know option time. The one your name Buzzy. Me have a friend there. So me go call him the Buzzy. We know. Me follow the guy to burn intro. This deserve a jump and split, sister. Yeah. This is never go jump and split. Do it quick. Cause the Buzzy queen are coming out. See the Buzzy. And the Buzzy queen are coming out. Queen of Commando, we know. Jump the rhythm now. Jump the rhythm. Jump the rhythm. Say the rhythm now. Say the rhythm now. Say the rhythm now. Say the rhythm now. Give me show them. Hold on. Pretty. Yeah. We got the most of that. It's not about the situation. Buzzy. Me have a friend them Buzzy. Me have a friend them Buzzy. Me have a friend them Buzzy. My ask first, I want body Buzzy. Me and my friend them Buzzy.
And by the way, people, that's Rebel and pretty new song. It's called Buzzy. And you know what I mean, it's on the internet. You can just type in YouTube and look for Buzzy if you haven't heard it already. So I feel it's only fair that I put a link to both the song and the video there so you can check it out. So I'm going to do that for now. Alright, so people, that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Enjoy the holidays. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.